Hi everybody, it's officially sweater weather and it's time to learn some more algebra. Today we're going to be talking about pi. No, not like apple pie, but the mathematical symbol pi and what it means. Pi is very important in math and in science, and it's important because it is one of the very unique ratios that we found in nature that is constant and important. So pi, we figured out, is the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. So what that means, it's kind of hard to think about, but let me hold on one second. I'm going to find a circle and be right back. All right, I'm back and I found a circle. Okay, so this ball here, okay, has a circumference and a diameter. Remember, the circumference, if this was just a circle, is the amount of distance around the outside of the circle, and the diameter is the distance from one side of the circle to the other side. So what pi basically says is that the distance from one side of a circle to another side of the circle is 3.14. If you multiply it by 3.14, you would get the circumference. And this is true for every circle, regardless of its size or whatever, right? If it's a perfect circle, 3.14 diameters is going to equal the circumference of that circle, which is pretty cool. And it took a lot of people to figure that out, but they did, and that's pretty sweet. So like I said, pi is about 3.14. That's kind of the rough approximation that we use when we don't want to actually use the real thing. We approximate it sometimes also as 22/7. That's like the fraction form that we use. Pi is an irrational number, which means it can't be made into a nice, neat fraction like that. But we use 22/7 because it's close enough to do what we needed to do. The two major things that we're going to be using pi for in algebra is for area and for circumference. And so circumference, remember, is 2 times pi times r, and the area of a circle is pi r squared. And that's where you're going to see pi show up in our course of algebra, but you're also going to see it other times when you move on beyond algebra. So it's important to know a little bit about it. Thanks for watching this video about pi. Next episode, we're going to start talking about square roots and what those are and how they work. Thanks for watching. See you next time in algebra.